गुड इव्हनिंग एव्हरीवन. ओके, आय होप तुम्हाला लास्ट टाइमच्या एक्सरसाइजेस खूप आवडल्या असतील. ओके, ते बर्ड्स जे आपण जो बर्ड केलेला खूप सुंदर केला, सर्वांनी खूप छान केलाय आणि तसे कमेंट्स देखील दिलेले आहेत तुम्हा सर्वांना. ओके, अँड आय होप तुम्ही ते लेटर्स ABCD ते देखील तुम्हाला कळले असतील आणि तुम्ही फॉलो करून ते लिहिले असतील. ओके, तर ते खूप छान लेटर्सची डिझाईन्स खूप 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 सुंदर आहेत आणि ते लक्षात ठेवून ना त्याची प्रॅक्टिस कायम ठेव. ठीक आहे, सो आता आपण आज जे शिकणार आहोत ती आहे न्यूजपेपर पासून आपण एकदा कॅप बनवणार आहोत. ओके, आणि न्यूजपेपर पासून आपण काय ड्रॉइंग करू शकतो छान सिम्पल शेप्स मध्ये ते देखील आपण शिकणार आहोत आज. ओके, ठीक आहे, तर नीट लक्ष देऊन ते शिका आणि फॉलो करा. ठीक आहे, तर फॉर एव्हरीवन आय एम टेलिंग दॅट this time what we are going to do is art and craft. Art and craft as in whatever material that is available with us, so we are going to use only that material. Like newspaper is easily available in our house, so newspaper. Then we are going to make a cap out of newspaper, and then we are going to create some drawings on a newspaper which really looks nice. Okay, so we are going to try out those as well. Okay, so please attend the class. Thank you. अच्छा, आज आपण आहे ना न्यूजपेपर पासून एक कॅप बनवणार आहोत, हॅट काइंड ऑफ. ओके, सो वॉट एव्हर मटेरियल दॅट इज अवेलेबल इन आवर हाऊस, only that material we are trying to use and make something nice. Okay, so this is a single newspaper that I am having. What I'll do is I'll fold this paper and I will turn it like this. The opening part is over here. Okay, now what I'll do is, what I did first, I had a newspaper, then I folded it, okay, this way, and I turned it over here like this. Okay, now I have half of this newspaper. Now what I am going to do is I am going to mark exact half of this over here, the crease. Okay, this crease I am going to make. Fine, and what I'll do is I'll try to make a nice crease here. Then I'm going to open it again and I'll take this corner and try to bring it in the middle line, the line that we got when we made a crease. Again we are going to make this fold. Again this corner, the second corner, we are going to join it over here in the middle of the paper, here, this way, so it looks like a rocket. Okay, this way. Now what we'll do is we will lift this part of the paper and we'll make a fold over here. We'll make a fold over here this way. Okay, now we'll turn this side, and now again what we'll do is we will lift this portion and bring it till here, till this corner. Okay, and then we're going to make a crease out of it. Then again we'll hold this corner and again we'll bring it till here. We'll fold it and make a crease again here. And now what we are supposed to do is lift this portion up and bring it here, exactly here, and make a nice crease, and here's your cap ready. Okay, so I can show you how the cap looks. Okay, I have this toy over here. Okay, a panda bear. I hope you can see this panda bear. Is it visible? Is it visible to you? Okay, so I'm going to wear this cap to the panda bear. See how nice it looks on him, isn't it? Now you can decorate this cap with, if you have colors or if you have beads, wastage beads, you can put those beads on this and decorate it. And I hope you like this cap, and I hope you will understand how to make it. And what I expect from you is, मला छान छान हे क्रिएट करून दाखवून त्याला अजून छान डेकोरेट करून यू हॅव टू सेंड इट टू मी. ओके, make nice pictures and send back to me. Okay, so this activity is over. Goodbye.